Well, it's been a year. Time flies so fast. 11 specials and 15 normal videos took us throughout the Innotech universe, only to put us right back here. Now let's look back on everything, and then forward to the future.
The following message is transmitted at the request of local emergency management. An emergency of unknown type has occurred at the Innotech Reactor Research Facility near the Oklahoma River on South Shields Boulevard. This could potentially cause severe property damage and loss of life in Oklahoma County. Please do not enter the area.
It's probably gonna explode any second now.
There is 1 minute until missiles impact the central United States. 4 missiles were shot down. 11 missiles are still going to impact. 2 missiles in Houston, 1 missile in San Antonio, 1 missile in Dallas, 2 missiles in Fort Worth, 2 missiles in Austin, 1 missile in Oklahoma City, 1 missile in Denver, 1 missile in El Paso. Take cover now. Seek shelter inside a substantial shelter on the lowest floor. Lay down flat and cover your head and neck with your hands. Keep your head against a wall and keep your mouth open until the shock.
Tornado emergency for Oklahoma City. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado emergency for southeastern Oklahoma County and central Oklahoma until 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed near Bethany, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Oklahoma County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Center for Disease Control. A contagious disease has begun spreading throughout the United States. Over 1,500 people have been diagnosed with SORA within the previous 30 days. Symptoms of this virus include coughing, fever, sore throat, and vomiting. This virus is most heavily impacting Washington, Oregon, Idaho, and Nevada.
The United States of America has launched a military invasion of Canada. The Canadian Armed Forces have been deployed to the area to combat the United States Armed Forces. The Canadian government requests that members of the general public shelter in place. Lock all doors and windows. If you come into contact with a member of the United States Armed Forces, cooperate. Disruption to emergency services, power, or water may occur during this time. Please monitor local media for further updates on this matter.
It looks like this is my last chance to say something to you, so I'll say just one thing. I'm sorry.
Happy New Year's.
Welcome to the future, sir.
Glad to be in it.
Come on, I beg. Please work. Please work.
The number you have, 911, has been changed to a non-public...
Holy fuck, what the f***? Oh my god.
Such great memories. And there's still so many more to be made. Just take a look at our future.
The following message is being transmitted at the request of civil authorities. A disaster of unknown type and severity has taken place at the Innotech Reactor Research Center. This disaster has the potential to release hazardous materials into the surrounding area. All residents of Oklahoma County are to stay indoors until an all clear has been given. If you are in a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest shelter when possible. Further updates will be provided as more information becomes available.
And now for the coastal waters forecast for the KHB 40 listening area for the following locations in Texas. Hurricane watch now in effect. Hurricane conditions are expected within 48 hours.
I have a feeling that this is going to be a great year.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for 1 year of WITC Radio. Here's to many more.